excited to announce we have a new toy review that we're gonna do. We just got the classic Sonic the Hedgehog Pinball Trick Set. And we got Ryan with Super Ryan cape and Super Ryan t-shirt. Look at that. Good job, Ryan. Let me see a dance. Do a dance. A winning dance. Yeah. Go, Ryan. Super Ryan. So today we're gonna do a review on the classic Sonic the Hedgehog Pinball Track Set that we just bought because it's gonna be the movie release is gonna be next week, I believe. So Ryan is a fan of Sonic now, and we're gonna play some with Sonic. We're gonna have some fun.
I want Sonic bits.
So stay tuned.
I want Sonic glasses.
You want Sonic glasses?
Yes.
We're gonna get Sonic glasses. We're gonna get Sonic t-shirt. We're gonna get Sonic toys. Fix your cake, dude. We got Super Ryan t-shirt. Okay, we're gonna do a review. Stay tuned. So we have it right here. This is the Pinball Track Set from Sonic the Hedgehog.
Yes.
Let's show Sonic. Look at that. Super Sonic. Ooh, yeah.
What color is this?
The color is blue. Sonic is blue and red and white.
You're wearing shoes?
Wearing shoes. So Sonic is real fast, dude.
What?
Like Lightning McQueen. Super fast. Whoa. Now, like that. You're fast too, dude.
Like
Look at
that?
that. This is Sonic. That's Sonic right there. Super fast, dude. I used to play with this game when I was small. When I was your age, I used to play a lot with Sonic. Put it here. And then you go here. Super Sonic! Whoa! Do it again. Super Sonic! Right over here. What are you doing, Ryan?
I'm monkey.
Go! Oh, right here.
I'm a monkey.
No monkey.
I'm banana blast. Like the banana blast.
Banana blast.
My monkey. Remember to the banana blast meal? Daddy house?
Yeah, we did it, Ryan! We did it! We got Sonic right here!
Inside.
Blue,
Yeah.
white, and red.
Wait, is it for the gator
The
league?
track.
Is it
So
for
you pull this little handle, and then it goes through here, this circle, this loop,
Is this small one?
this loop, and then here has another. It goes here, and then
No, like
that.
this.
whoa, Sonic! What's up, Ryan? You wanna say hi to your friends on YouTube? Say hi.
Amigo.
Subscribe to Ryan's channel.
Hi.
Look, on this one, you can collect all your Sonic friends. Here's Sonic. Here's Tails. Knuckles is one of my favorite ones. Metal Sonic. Mighty. And Ray. Wow, dude, I didn't know this one. I don't know this one. This one, yes. Knuckles is one of my favorite ones. And Tails. This one flies. It flies.
Where?
So, additional Sonic booster available.
Now I wanna go mummify Sonic.
Everything's so cool.
Now I wanna go mummify Sonic. And
Look at
Mummer.
This one we bought it at Amazon.
Match it too. Like that.
It's a cool toy, dude. It's a really cool toy. So we bought it because Ryan's a fan of Sonic. No! Oh no, I forgot over here. Ready, Sonic?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Woo! Let's do it again. Yeah! Okay, so over here. Ready? Go! Oh, no! Ready, Sonic? Yeah! Sonic! Pinball's tricks in! Look at that. It's so cool. We got Super Ryan right here. Say hi, Ryan. Show Sonic to your friends. Yeah! Super Sonic! This is the track that we just got on Amazon. We're doing a toy review. It's pretty cool. It's fun. Go, Ryan, go! Oh, no! Go, Ryan! Go, do it again. Do it again, Ryan. Ready, go! Oh, no!
What is this?
Oh, no! Let me do it. Ready, Ryan?
That's your motion.
No, it's not good motion. Ready? Yeah! We're doing it! Whoa! Cool game. Did you like your game?
Yeah.
Do you recommend it to your friends to buy it?
Yeah.
Good
I
job.
got it.
That one's from six and up. Look at that. 6 and up.
And-
Rena Supersonic Surprise.
Aiming.
You were eating. Let's do it again.
Wait.
Ready, Ryan?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Go. Go.
Yeah! Good job, Sonic! Spin, Sonic! Oh no!
What is this?
Spinning, Sonic! Yeah! Look at Sonic go! Good job! Nighty McQueen here with us. What's up, Nighty McQueen?
What's up, friends? Remember, you gotta subscribe to Ryan's channel.
Woo! So it's a nice toy. We highly recommend it. It's fun. And it comes with more Sonic and Friends.
I want more.
We're gonna get all of them. We're gonna collect Sonic now. But Ryan likes Sonic. Oh, we got it right here.
I just get Sonic out.
So thanks for watching. We just did a review on the Sonic the Pinball set. It's a great, awesome toy. Stay tuned for the movie. The movie's gonna be fun too. We're gonna go watch it. Me and Ryan and Mama. So did you like the toy, Ryan?
Why did you watch it?
We're gonna watch the movie. There's gonna be a movie, remember? I told you?
Where?
At the movies. Remember?
On the place?
Yes. So did you like the toy?
No, I'm going to place.
We're gonna go watch it. But did you like your toy?
Yeah.
Awesome toy review.
Go.
So remember, you gotta subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more fun videos.
Yeah.
And if you like our videos, what they gotta do, Ryan?
Yeah.
Like it? Thumbs up, right?
No.
Thumbs up. So stay tuned. Bye-bye. Finish it. Good job.